Good morning, YouTube. Today, we're going to take the Ferrari 458 out for a bit of an adventure.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, this is my garage, and this channel is all about the supercar ownership experience. And today, we're going to do what supercars were meant to do. We're going to drive this 458 a lot. So we got two things on the plan for the day, but before we get into that, real quick, if you want to help support this channel, please go visit normalguysupercar.com. That is my website, and that is how I support this channel, by selling parts and services for supercars. So thank you so much to all of you who have gone to that website, bought things in the past, and hopefully some of you who will buy some stuff in the future. Also, you can use the code NGS10. It'll take off 10%. Almost everything in store, not quite everything. All right, so the plan for the day, we're gonna fire up this 458. We haven't taken it out in quite a while because, well, we've had a super rainy spring. I don't know what's been going on, but it's been just rain almost every single day. Well, we finally have a beautiful day out, and we have some Ferrari Club events going on. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna drive down to Adam's house. He needs to get his Porsche fixed real quick. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna get his Porsche running. Then we're gonna go join the Ferrari Club of America and go on a drive and have some barbecue. Very Texas of us. So, let's get going. Hi, Adam.
Hi, Dan.
How are
Is
you?
this better lighting?
Oh, look at that. You're like a little shadow with the face glowing. All right, what are we looking at?
So I have the boost leak after we put it back together with the spark plugs. I took it for a drive and...
That was probably me.
did you put this side back together or did I?
I think we both did.
Yeah,
I thought it would be right here.
Yeah, that's where it is. It's just...
Oh, okay.
It's easier to see
Oh.
from this angle. You can see the green seal right there.
Oh, you can't see. Oh, see that green? There it is. Green seal.
That's pinched. So the car idled great and ran great until it tried to go into boost, and then
It was just black.
it just had no power. I wasn't getting any errors or anything like that, and I think it's because I don't know if this is a MAF or a MAP sensor, airflow or...
Yeah, but either way, it's...
Either way, it's I think that leak is pre-censored.
Yeah, so nothing's flowing past.
But more importantly is I don't think that the fuel-air ratio is off.
Yeah.
Because it's able to adjust it. But it wouldn't go past 0.3 bar, which is less than half of what... It's supposed to boost to 0.7 bar.
All right, so we just got to redo that one fitting.
I think we just have to reset that.
Okay, that seems about right. Where's the clip? Did you already pull it?
Yeah, I already pulled
Oh, okay. I was like, uh-oh.
Yeah, it's...
I thought maybe it popped off.
Well, because I was like looking for it, because I was trying to find it, and I was like, oh, hopefully it's just something really simple. And then I started having to take more and more shit off. I was like, maybe Dan should come out and film this.
Yay!
So it sat in the garage looking like this for a week.
Aw.
Sad trumpet noises.
Well, let's get going. We'll get this easy.
Yeah.
I think we need to get some more lighting in here. Oh yeah, it's hung up on that. That was me. That was me. Why wasn't I filming at that? I missed the moment where that thing hit you in the face.
Woo!
Wow, that came out with some serious gravity on it. Oh yeah, we scrumped up the O-ring.
We didn't scrump up anything. Dan.
If I did that. Ooh, there's a bunch of oil in there too.
Oh yeah, it's the charge pipe. I mean, that happens in turbo cars.
I guess so. Insert comment about Porsche being crap here.
I asked my Porsche tech buddy, I was like, hey, are there any seals that are going to need to be replaced? And he was like, no. Thanks, Matt. Actually, I can't throw too much shade. He gives me...
I know, he did actually help a lot.
He actually gives a lot of help and advice, so...
I say we try it, at least get it on the road today, and then get a new one ordered. Because it's not like it's that hard to get to.
No.
Now that we know what we're doing. Well, it slid over pretty good that time.
Yeah, looks good over here.
I don't see any green.
Yeah, I don't either.
I would say we put that clip on before we bolt everything.
Oh, yeah.
Because that clip was a pain in the butt.
I feel like that gap needs to be closed.
Yeah, it does. We got to push it on and throw that clip on. We have to do a two-personer.
Nope, I think I got it.
Oh, you got it? Oh, okay. I also think that may have had something to do with it, is it wasn't seated totally last time.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Oh, way better.
Look
so I
at
bet
that,
you that could be what blew the seal out. Maybe it wasn't seated all the way. And the seal just kind of out with the pressure.
Yeah, because at first it was boosting fully.
I bet that's what happened.
The first time I hit boost, it went to 0.7. I was like, oh, sweet. And then I went to go get on the toll road and do the speed limit, and it wouldn't boost past 0.8.
Just push it in. Come on, Adam. I think you want me to hold the light. It's kind of difficult. You kind of gotta spread it open. That's what she said. Oh, there. Got it. I think you need bigger turbos. All right, so we were just having a discussion, and I was just telling Adam about how I just got a new manufacturer that we're gonna put up on the website soon. It's not there yet, but they make equal length headers for the Ferrari 458. Those are like really hard to find, and not very many companies make them. I'm contemplating swapping those in. Let me know in the comments below. For science. Let me know in the comments below if you think I should go with equal length headers just to see if they make a difference. Because a bunch of people are like, oh, that's where you get all the great sound. Of course, you should make more power with equal length headers. I don't know, they're quite expensive. So like, I don't think they're willing to do a sponsorship deal. I think I'd have to pay for this out of pocket, which is not a big deal, but yeah. Anyway, hit the comments below. A bumper. There.
No matter
Oh, I got dirty.
bumpers on Porsches will always be superior to bumpers on Ferraris.
Well, I'm gonna say easier to deal with. And it's not the bumper, it's the bumper cover,
That's true. You're right.
technically.
No, you're 100% right.
The bumpers are all integrated now, instead of having the old like 70s giant big rubber bumpers sticking out. Good old Department of Transportation, ruining the Countach and the 308s.
Yeah! What is that? What the fuck is that?
Oh, getting there.
I love power tools.
Yes, me too. Did you know that Adam has a big secret, but we're not gonna tell you what it is yet? It's a secret.
Big secret too.
Yeah, it is.
But just, I'm married to a woman, so that's not it.
Oh, yeah, I didn't say it was closeted. I just said it was a secret. All right, Porsche's back on the ground now. And so we're gonna get a bath because he wants to go drive it, as he should. Woo! This is why he's got all-wheel drive so he can off-road. Yeehaw! Off-road! Getting sudsy. Getting sudsy. Vroomba, vroomba. All right, doing a quick test drive in the Porsche.
This is a Porsche.
For the German car.
Only got up to 0.3, but I only went like quarter throttle too,
Yeah.
so.
Yeah, it's getting there. All right, let's see what the boost is. See if boost is happy.
.6 bar.
All right, it's basically,
Yeah, I mean it's plus or minus 1 bar, so 0.1.
Yeah.
Oh, 0.8.
0.8?
And I saw 0.7, so
Nice.
yeah, it's boosting.
woohoo, back in business.
Yay!
Felt strong.
Oh yeah.
So one of the joys of working in filming YouTube stuff is like when you screw up and you can't really like reproduce something. So I was just checking my settings on the camera and his microphone was muted the whole time.
Sad trumpet noises.
Yeah. Yeehaw! All right, we made it to the Ferrari event. We got a couple Ferraris here. Supposedly like 40 something people are coming, so that's gonna be pretty awesome. A real quick reminder, if you are a Ferrari fan, you should join the Ferrari Club of America. You can use my reference number, it's 50662. They do events like this. This is why we joined the Ferrari Club, because it's kind of a cool social event and you get to see some amazing cars. We're gonna do some fun stuff today. If you wanna do a fun drive in September, check out ngsc.me/Colorado 2021. That's where you can sign up for the Supercar Devaluation Tour of Colorado. It's going to be epic. Oh, Jeff is saying it's too hot today. I agree. Yeah, that thing sounds good. Right as I say that, he closes the valves. Damn it. Well. Oh, yeah. Probably one of my favorite roads in Austin. Boo! I am! Oh, yeah. God, I love that.
Best license plate ever.
I love that plate. That is a fat ass.
A real car.
Oh, boo. Okay, kind of wrapping up from the Ferrari event. Got a bit of a parking lot jam. That's what happens when you try and cram like 15 Ferraris into one driveway. But we'll get out of here eventually. Come on, Ed, show us your skills.
Let it rip.
You can do it. I got faith in you. Yeah, how far forward does he go? Oh, that was pretty good.
Pretty good.
That was pretty good. That was like not even a foot. Oh, he's pretty good too.